Welcome. Today in front of me OPPO Reno 10 Pro, and I'll show you how to check battery health with Ampere app on this device. So we should first open the Play Store app, and in the search bar we should enter the Ampere. And now we should get this first application, so tap the install button and wait a couple of seconds. After that, just tap to open the app, click to yes, I agree, pick close, and tap to OK on the left down corner. And now we could see information about battery health, and in my case battery is in a good condition. And also we got here more information like the battery health, capacity, voltage, Android version, and more other info. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you like this video, leave thumbs up and subscribe.